Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change field of view in Hunt Showdown. And to do this, first we'll need to click on the escape, navigate to the options. Right here in the game you'll be able to find field of view and you can switch it between 85 to 110. Now let me show you the difference between 85 and 105, or actually 110. So now we are at 85, we can apply. And as you can see on the left, we can almost see the entire stairs, and when we change to 110, we'll be able to see the entire stairs as well as the entire wall on the left. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.